video is going to be a very simple. I'm just going to be showing you guys some quick faux loc styles that you can do. Some cute styles that I like to do most often when I feel like doing my hair. So yeah, this is one of them. So this is like, let me show you guys how I do it. So let me just go back. I'm going to start with the main style. Oh, I forgot my intro. I always forget to do an intro. So my name is Chana, aka Goldenchildchi. If you didn't already know that, that probably means you're not subscribed. So go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. If it was helpful, drop a comment. Let me know your favorite style. All that. But yeah, so I just uploaded a video on how I did my faux locs. So I'll put it in the cards and it'll also be linked below in related uploads. But yeah, so they look pretty fresh. They're like 3 weeks old. They're gonna be 3 weeks old next week. But yeah, I love them. This hair was only $30. So if you guys want details on how to get this look, go and check out that video. I have 2 faux loc videos actually. So I have a Bobby Boss new lock video, and then I have a Bobby Boss new lock dupe video. So whichever one is your preference that you can get your hands on quicker, I would say go and check it out. But it is the same, pretty much the same concept. But yeah, so your girl. All right, so this is the first style actually. So I just like to sometimes wear my locks down as like a regular middle part. I like to put them behind my head and just like have like this natural look, looking like a goddess. Sometimes I like to take the first 2 locks and just tie them behind my head, kind of like a crown, so it gives like this look. So it's like kind of back. This is like perfect for when you first do your hair and it may have a little tension. You just do this and it just like keeps the hair out of your face, but it's still like cute, like it's still a style. So that's that look. Then the next look that I'm going to show you guys is that like little twist look that I just had in. So I usually like to go like in a deep side part, so there's like 2 more rows left here and then most of the rows are on this side. So I'll just take like some of the faux locs and I'll just take it and I'll just tie it in like a little knot situation in the back, so this stays. You don't have to worry about it coming out. But yeah, and it's cute, and this is like perfect for work, an interview. You don't want your hair in your face, and it's like a chic but like a classy look, but it could still turn up. Like, it's one of my favorites just because it's so like easy to do and it's like no tension, it's not heavy, it's just perfect. So the next style is actually just this deep side part style. So I tend to wear my hair like this most often, so I have like some in the back and I have like a majority coming to the side. It's a look. The next style is to throw all of your locks over to the side and then you have like this bohemian look. It's super cute, it looks luxurious, I love it. But yeah, throw it all to the side, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. I love this look. I'm a fan. One of my favorite looks to do, and sometimes I like to put a little edge on it. So if I'm like really trying to be classy, I'll just take one and I'll leave it here and it's giving like Alicia Keys. You see, I know you see it. But yeah, I don't know, I like it. Like, I like this simple look. It's like effortless, but it looks different from the other look because it's just like a little lone dread on this side. There's like hair in my face. But yeah, the next look that I'm gonna do is like a low ponytail. So you could do like a variety of parts with this, but I usually just do a middle part. So I'll do this middle part, and the best thing about having faux locs is you can use the hair as a scrunchie, like duh. Even with long braids, like the hair doubles as a scrunchie. So this is how I usually do my hair when my hair is getting like messed up, it's not really looking too fresh anymore. I'll usually do this and I'll just have it to the side. And this is like super edgy also, like this and a pair of like mom jeans and like a, you know, like a flannel shirt. I think this is cute, and it's just like a nice pretty like dread ponytail. I just think it's cute. It's one of my favorite looks, and especially like if the front of your hair is getting messy, you could just like baby put your baby hairs out with some little edge control and then you slaying. What? Who is talking to you? Nobody. But the next style I like to do is Usually if I'm like trying to dress it up a little, I'll do this style. So it's like kind of like a half up, half down. So I'll take some of the locks, and you can either put it in a bun or you can put it in a ponytail. So right now for this look, I'm just gonna do a ponytail, but if you want to do a bun, you would basically just take the ponytail and wrap it around. But yeah, so I usually take like 1 or 2 dreads. But yeah, just wrap it around. So I'm not gonna wrap it all the way, obviously, because I'm not keeping this in. But yeah, then you have like this look that you can do. You can like split them out and have like middle look. And this is like, usually I do it tighter, but it's late and I have a headache, so I'm not doing it tighter right now. But yeah, you have this look. So this is like usually like a going out look. Like it's very like edgy, pretty, cute, flirty, all those things. So take that out. The next look is a high ponytail. So this is what I do like if I don't want my hair in my face, or I'm just like going for that look that day. So this is the high ponytail. And this is a little off to the side just because the next style is side ponytail. So this is also a look that I like doing. So I do this a lot on like vacation, and I just think it's like very tropical. It's just cute. It's just like a situation. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I love how this looks. It's like it's just cute. Like, it's like flirty. I really like flirty hairstyles, if you know what I mean. Drop a comment. But yeah, so this is like that look, and it's like not heavy at all. It gets the hair out of your like face and, you know, off your body. It's a little slack, but you guys get it. The next one is obviously gonna be the bun. So I usually just do what I just did to my hair, and then I just wrap the dreads around to make my bun. And you don't have to do this super tight, to be honest. It will stay. You can reinforce it with a scrunchie if you like, but you don't really need to, because these are like pretty elastic. And sometimes what I like to do is just like leave a couple like kind of hanging out to give it like that messy bun look. I like how that looks. But yeah, and I think that's like it for the looks. Like, let me know if you guys want to see like some other looks. Another option is to like put like a couple out in the front, like, oh. So there's also this option. And you just want to twist it back up into the bun. Oop, I just took my earring out. Oh, I think I took the wrong ones out. Is that the wrong one? Yes, I took the sides out. I don't know what I did, but you guys get it. You just take the two in the front and you just leave them out. And it's cute. I think I usually leave these two out. Yeah, I usually put the two on the side. Don't mind me, y'all. But yeah. So that is it for the faux loc styles that I typically do. I usually do a couple more, but like, how many can you really put in one video? So you guys can like improvise off of the styles that I showed you. You could let me know if you have any new styles. You know, I'm always open to the new styles. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Check out a bunch of my other protective style videos. Let me just put my earring back on because right now I look crazy. But yeah, I have a bunch of protective style videos. I have try on hauls. I got everything, so you won't get bored here. So just check out some of my other videos on your way out. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite style was. And we're on the road to 2,000. So let's go, y'all. We can get there. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in my next video.